Hey, it's Mike Fanduzzi with Keep On Growing. Just a quick video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's going on with this channel. And if you're not interested, totally fine. But this is for people who are wondering what's going on and why we're talking about making money. Ever since I started this channel, it was called Keep On Growing. And if you guys have been with me for a while, I always said that Keep On Growing was like all aspects of our life. It wasn't just growing food. Now, over the years, I've enjoyed helping people, and I'm still doing that. I've still got the garden going. I still got kale and basil and lettuce and watercress and stuff growing, and I'm going to be posting videos on that. But every time I get a message, from people that are saying, thank you, you helped my family, or you helped our community, or we're learning to grow and we're saving money here, and all of those touch my heart. But at the same time, it breaks my heart too that we live here in the U.S., in a country we're supposed to be the best country in the world, and people have to decide if they're going to buy their medication or buy groceries, or pay their electric bill or buy some food. And I think that's a shame, and that's why, I like helping people and showing them how to grow, and you don't have to always buy like my grow box. I stopped making my grow box. I show people you can do it in a recycled milk jug. Everything's not about, making money, but the sad thing is we all need to make money. We got bills to pay, and if we don't have it coming in, we're not going to eat or have a roof over our head. And when I can show people how to grow some food, that's good, but, microgreens take a couple of weeks. You can eat a little bit of microgreens, but if you want to grow any substantial amount of food, it takes months. So when I hear these stories, it's kind of tough for me to just sit back and not say anything when there's opportunities for people to make their lives better. That I can just offer them up a little bit of information. Maybe if they take action on some stuff, it'll help. So that's why we're doing this here, is just that I think if people are growing or doing this kind of stuff, that they can make a little bit of money, that they could start a channel. Or that's why I let them take my ebook and my online course and make it their own and put it out there. That I find that interesting, that we're living in a time where people can take information and put it on the internet and make money, and at the same time you feel like you're helping other people. It's not like we're running around like selling popcorn anymore, right? So that's why it's, got that other channel going. Now over there, a lot of you have went from here over to my other channel. It's called Make Money Old School, and we're going to start with the hydroponic stuff, because I know that a lot of you over here are, growing already or interested in it. And over there, we're going to start with that, but we're also talking about other ways. My last video, I was talking about Facebook Marketplace. And if you really need money, if you're really strapped, that there's stuff like on the side of the road that you can get. I showed people, I was driving home and there was a cast iron sink, and I picked it up, cleaned it off, put it on Facebook Marketplace. Within a couple of days, sold it for $150. Now, if you were driving down the road and you saw $150 sitting on the side of the road, you would jump out and chase it down and grab it, right? But that sink will be sitting there, and people won't do anything. So some people just don't know that it's easy to get things. You don't have to pick it up off the side of the road. You can go to thrift shops. You can go to yard sales. You can sell stuff on eBay, Amazon. There's all kinds of things you can do. Those take a little bit more work, but Facebook Marketplace, you can put it up and target just your area, join little swap groups that are right around you too. You can post stuff and then you can sell things. Now there's other, you want to be careful with, having people come to your house, or what I like to do is I meet people like at my local mall, like right in the middle where the food court's at. The parking lot is always full, and I know there's cameras out there. That's where we usually meet. I don't let my wife go by herself. So there's different things, that you go through, and that's what we're talking about on that other channel, is like going into depth. But that can help people. Like right now, if you're strapped for cash and you're driving by, we picked up a headboard, and within the day sold it for like $40. All kind of other sinks and faucets people are remodeling. They toss the old stuff out. You can pick those up, clean them up, and there's other people that are flipping houses and renovating, and some of them want to do it on the cheap, and they'll buy those things. There's some people who are renting, and renters tend to tear stuff up. They don't want to go out and buy high price fixtures and sinks and stuff and put it in, and they'll scoop the stuff up. So there's lots of things that you can do. I picked up like a golf belt from Goodwill. I didn't even know what the hell it was, but I scanned it with my phone. There's a lot of apps you can use, lots of information out there. I scanned it with my phone, said it was selling for $60. So I took it home, sent it in Amazon, and somebody bought it for $60. So it's crazy the stuff you can do. I think I paid $6.99 for it. $7 to $60 with hardly any effort. So there's tons of stuff you can do, and lots of people just don't know about it. That's why I want to help people, and I know that I can't sit here on this channel all the time and talk about garage selling or flipping and different things like that. People want to know about gardening, so that's why we're having a little thing. I'm telling people how they can make money with hydroponics, and I'm trying to figure out like the easy way in case people need money now, because we're going through tough times. But the best way is to actually do it long term and build up revenue streams, and that's what we're talking about on the other channel. Let me pause here for a minute. Of course the trash man had to come by. So that's what we're doing on the other channel. It's long term. You can set up a channel. The best thing to do is to do things like this, and you can help other people. And on this channel, I was saying sell my ebook, sell my online course. It's just a quick way for people to make money. It's just to help people out. It's not going to make any of us rich. And it's not really the right way to just go if you want to do stuff long term. But like I said, right now we're in a time when people are kind of struggling and they're worried about the future. And I just want to help people out as quick as I can. So that's what the ebook, that's what the stuff is that I'm helping you with on this channel. But long term, check out the other channel, and we're talking about other strategies. And like I said, if I can get people set up where they can have an extra couple hundred coming in or a couple thousand, if it can help a lot of people out, that's what I'm all about. So we will have more gardening tips and that coming up on this channel. But if we have the ability to reach out and help other people, let's do it, right? Alrighty, we'll catch y'all. Live to inspire, keep on growing, be the change.